Credit grabbing happens a lot in many organizations, especially ones that have been politicized with a lot of toxic employees and bosses. So when someone credit grabs my idea right in front of me in a meeting with a group of audiences, I would say something like, "Thank you for spotlighting my idea, Ryan. You know, when I thought about that, I realized X, Y, and Z." And then for a few more seconds, I will explain my idea further. And there are two reasons why this is important. Number one, the moment you've witnessed the act, you have to call out the person. And because if you keep on being silent about it, the more it rewards the person to think that they can get away with it. Number two, one way to prove that this idea is really yours in front of witnesses, in front of an audience, is to be able to explain it way better than the person who's credit grabbing it. And so this is your opportunity. Perhaps it's your only opportunity